So today in our lesson social stratification, we are studying something more. Then we have also discussed in our previous period, we have also discussed about the steps taken by Indian Constitution to solve the problem of educational inequality. We have discussed a few articles which are given in chapter 3 and chapter 4 of our Constitution, fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Many articles we have discussed. We have started with Article 21A, which gives education as fundamental right to the children from 6 to 14 years old, and Article 21A was added to our constitution by 86th amendment. Remember this? So multiple choice question you can expect here. So by 86th amendment, education is provided as fundamental right. Later we have discussed about children Article 29, which protects the cultural rights of minority section. We have discussed about Article 30. See, Article 30, lesson and fill in the blank question. Article 30, what does it do? It provides or it gives the right to minority section people to establish their educational institution in the place where they live. Okay. Then Article 19 speaks about the right to speak and expression. Article 21, we have discussed, while discussing about Article 21, we have discussed one important case, no? Unni Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh, we have discussed. So this case, the judgment given in this case became the cause for 86th Amendment and adding Article 21A as fundamental right, giving education. Okay. So in the Unni Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh case, it was decided that right to live includes right to education. Okay. So these articles come under fundamental rights. Then in directive principles of state policy, we have started with Article 39, no children. Article 39 says that it is the duty of the government to work for welfare of the people. Okay, public welfare. People's welfare is the duty of the government. Article 39. Then Article 45, it again supports Article 21A. It gives direction to the government. Article 45 gives direction to the government, and it says that government should take steps towards providing free and compulsory education to 6 to 14 years children. Then we have discussed about Article 46. Article 46, it protects the educational interests of SC and ST people. Okay. So these are different articles which we have discussed. And Article 51A also we have mentioned, where fundamental duties are given, and 11th fundamental duty is added by amendment 86th amendment. Okay. It tells the parents to give education to the children from 6 to 14 years. Okay. So these things we have discussed. No. Then we have discussed about gender discrimination. Discrimination on the basis of sex. Okay. What are the reasons for existence of gender discrimination, and what are the proofs to say that gender discrimination till today it is existing in the society, that we have discussed. Literacy rate, then women's job participation rate, then women's life expectancy if we take. Okay, everything. Then the people suffering from anemia, pregnant lady. Then we have also discussed about body mass index. ಬಾಡಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇಟಿಗೆ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಏನು ವೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ವೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ gender discrimination till today it is existing in the society. Okay. So with all these things we have started our lesson. Now we will move on to today's lesson. So today we have to mainly discuss about what are the features of social stratification. So 4 features are there. Let us discuss one by one. First one is social stratification is social in nature. It is social in nature. So, social stratification is based on social factors like caste, then like profession, like income, like race, all these things. It is social in nature. Two things they are based on physics. One is race, children. Race, it is based on what is race? So, on the basis of the structure of the body and on the basis of the color of the body, it is decided. No, so that is one exception. And gender-based discrimination is there. No, that is also an exception. Otherwise, social in nature. Social stratification is social in nature. So we don't have the society or community of strong people. We don't have a community of tall people. Do we have a community of short people? No, no. We don't have anything like that, right? We have lower class people, we have upper caste people, we have rich people, we have poor people. Like that, we have stratas in the society, layers in the society, right? We don't have the layers in the society on the basis of structure of our body like height, weight, etc. Okay, so that's why the very first feature of social stratification is, children, it is social in nature. Then next one is social stratification is ancient one. Okay, so today there are different stratas in the society. Today there are many layers in the society, but it was ancient. If we take Vedic period, if we go to civilization period, Harappan civilization, Chinese civilization, Egyptian civilization, Roman civilization, wherever you go, okay, you can go beyond the time. Okay, so you will find that society was divided into different stratas ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ದು ವರ್ಣ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ರೋಮನ್ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ slavery there. America, United States of America, England, slavery was there. No, African people, they were taken as slaves, they were sold. No, so slavery was there, and that's why it is ancient in nature, ancient one. From the beginning of human society, social stratification was there, because very reason for social stratification is the mental status or the selfishness of human being. The very selfish nature of human being is the reason for social stratification and exploitation. Social stratification idre parvagilla, exploitation irodu tumba problem alva. Superior people always they exploit inferior people. Hoda? So it is ancient nature, ancient in nature. Then third one is, children, it is universal. Who will tell me the meaning of universal? Will it be told by Aditi? Aditi, do you know universal? What is the meaning of universal, Aditi? Please, you can even type the answer in the chat box. Yes, universal. Good morning, Mataji. Left side. Okay. Pranav, but I have written nothing important on the board. That's why don't worry. I will share the page for you. Yes, what is the meaning of universal? Present in all parts. Bhumika says present in all parts. Yes, everybody remember, universal means present in all parts, everywhere. It is found everywhere. So that is the meaning of the term universal. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ universal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So everybody got the meaning of the term universal, no? Universal means being present everywhere. That is universal. See, it is universal in nature. See, this is social stratification. Go to any part of the world, you will find it out. So in every nation, in every region, we have rich people, we have poor people. So if you can take any religion, there you can find low caste and upper caste, right? It does not exist only in Hindu religion. So you can take Islam religion, you can take Christianity, you can take Judaism, Parsis, okay. So Buddhism, Hinayana, Mahayana, you have, no. So this social stratification, it is universal. Everywhere it is found. That is the third nature of social stratification. Then fourth nature is it exists. Okay, it exists in different ways. It exists in different ways. Huh? So in different regions, it exists in different forms. If we come to India, we have Varna system. We had Varna system. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Like that we had Varna system, no? If you go to Rome, you had plebeians and patricians. Patricians andre aristocrats, rich people who are able to give shelter. Then andre who are landowners, they were called patricians. Plebeians andre slaves. Okay, patricians and plebeians. Then slavery. So this social stratification, it exists in different ways in different regions. So these are the four important features of social stratification. Once I will share the page for you, you can have the points on your screen. Next. Yes. So here you have the features of social stratification. You can very well see. First one is social stratification is social in nature. Second one is social stratification is universal. It is found everywhere. Then social stratification is ancient. And last one is social stratification exists in different ways. Here you can see these two difficult words, children. One is plebeians. In the third line, you can find it, no? Last one, last paragraph you have plebeians, and in the fourth line, very first word, patricians. Okay. So this type of social stratification, it was found in Roman Empire, plebeians and patricians. Okay. Then the next one is Varna system. You know, no, it is found in our nation. It was found in our nation. So these are the important features of social stratification. Then next one is, children. Uh, from the beginning, I told that social stratification is ancient. So from the beginning, there was a social stratification, no? So in a different what in different time, what type of social stratification existed, that we have to see in our next uh, page. Yes, see, social stratification, it exists in different ways. So major forms of social stratification. So in the primitive society, when human society began, no, that time it was called primitive society. We were not civilized at that time. We didn't know how to wear clothing. We didn't know how to cook. We didn't know the use of fire at that time. We didn't know any science at that time. Technology was not at all there. So primitive society, it existed. Then after primitive society, what happened? Slavery came into existence. Slavery. Next comes estate system. Andre landowners ಆದ್ರು landowners ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಗೇಣಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಜನರನ್ನ tenancy system ಅದು, that is estate system. Then Varna system, it got its birth in India, this Varna system. Then next comes caste system. Caste system is the result of what? Varna system. So these are the 5 important what different forms of social stratification. Okay. So far we have learned. Yes, children. So now let me know Chaya. Chaya, can you speak out, Chaya? Vaishnavi?
Yes, Mataji.
Any doubts so far?
No doubts, Mataji.
Okay, good. Then next, Ambika. Ambika, any doubt so far? Okay, Karun. Karun,
Yes, Mataji.
Mari, any doubt so far?
No, Mataji.
Yes, understood, no? Main features
Yes,
of
Mataji.
main features, so 4 features are there that you have understood, no? Then major forms, okay? Yes, so if you have understood, let us go for the next topic, children. So far we have understood about the meaning of social stratification and its features and its major forms. But we have to, in the next topic, we have to, yes, some message I found, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, good. Yes, yes, good. Huh? Yes, you don't have any doubt, no? Yes. In the next part of the lesson, we have to understand, children, the evil effect of social stratification. How inferior people are exploited by the superior people. That is our next part in the lesson. Okay. We are concentrating on the worst part of social stratification which was practiced in India, that is none other than untouchability. Okay, we have to discuss about untouchability in the next part of the lesson. So, where untouchability got birth, okay, then who are the great leaders of India who fought against untouchability? That also we have to learn. And how untouchability is a social evil, that we have to learn. So, in the beginning of the class itself, I have told you that untouchability got its birth in Vedic period. Okay, in the Vedic period itself, untouchability got its birth, and it is based on in the Vedic period. If the idea of Varna system was not bad, children. Okay, so the exploitation was not there during the Vedic period. It was a beautiful system. This untouchable, this Varna system, it is the beginning of untouchability. No, in Varna system, you can find what untouchability. So, and Varna system got its birth in Vedic period, and Varna system is based on which theory? Karma theory. What is the meaning of karma? Please, you can send message in the chat box. Meaning of karma. Karma means please, I am waiting for your answer. What is the meaning of karma? Yes, Vaishnavi R. Hegde says it is work. Next. Yes, Yashaswini, Vindhya, everybody are telling. Yes, yes, Kritika is saying that it is work. Yes, everybody is saying. Vidya also says work. Karma means work. So, on the basis of the work done by the people, this Varna system came into birth. Which are the 4 classes of Varna system? Who will tell me the answer? Please raise your hands. Which are the 4 classes of Varna system? Yes, there are many students who can tell the answer. Yes. Ankit? Ankit? Tell me the answer. Yes, many are there. Very good.
Brahmana, Kshatriya,
Brahmanas, Kshatriyas.
Vaishya, Shudra.
Yes, Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. What was, yes, you can stop raising your hands now. Yes, thank you very much. I have next question, that's why. Now again listen to me and answer me, children. Raise your hands. What work or what karma was done by Brahmanas? What karma was done by Brahmanas? Yes, Chinmay Chaudhary. Chinmay?
Mataji.
Yes, what? Yes. What work was done by Brahmanas?
Teaching.
Teaching was the work of Brahmanas. Then teaching.
Participating in yoga.
participating in yajnas, worshipping God, okay, teaching, preaching, participating in yajnas and yagas. These were the works done by Brahmanas. Very good, okay. And they were also giving suggestions to the king, okay. Then, what was the work done by Kshatriyas? Next question. Work done by Kshatriyas. What work was done by Kshatriyas? Yes, Nandan. Nandan?
Political administration.
Political administration and taking care of the boundary of the nation. No, it was the work done by Kshatriyas. Very good. Correct answer. Okay. Then, after next one. Third wing of Varna system was Vaishya. They were Vaishyas. No, they were called Vaishyas. What work was done by them? Vaishyas. Yes, Shashank. Shreya, yes. Shreya's answer I got. Sushrita. Sushrita. Yes, what is the work done by them? Yes, business. Yes, carrying on business, different kinds of business. It was done by the Vaishyas. They were traders. Okay. And the fourth one was Shudras. They were expected to do manual labor. So, these were the four classes existed in Varna system. Then what happened? Later, okay, after the completion of Rigvedic period, the fifth class, okay, fifth class came into existence and they were called Panchamas. Okay. So Panchamas were the fifth class of the people, and from this time untouchability, the practice of untouchability started to begin. So these Panchamas, they were expected to do manual labor like cleaning human excreta, carrying dead bodies, dead animals, okay, and preparing footwears. All these were the works done by Panchamas. They were treated as untouchables. So this is how untouchability started in the Vedic period. Understood, children? So it has got its base in Varna system. And Varna system, it is based on which theory? Multiple choice question. Karma theory. Four classes were there in the beginning, and fifth class was started during the Vedic period, and after Rigvedic period it was called fifth class. They were called Panchamas and they were treated untouchables. So on practice of untouchability, Mahatma Gandhiji has called it as stigma on Hindu society. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಲೆ ಅಂತ. He says that it is the heinous practice. ಅಂದ್ರೆ heinous ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗ್ಲಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. So he calls it heinous practice. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he started to analyze where untouchability started. For that, he asked a question: why the people, why a group of people lived outside a village, outside of a village? Why did they live? Whether they came from different place or whether they were sent out of the village. So if we try to answer these two questions, so the people who lived outside the village, no, whether they were sent out of the village or whether they came to that place from outside. If we ask ourselves these two questions, we can get the answer for the question, where is the origin of this untouchability? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he thought or he started to analyze, make analysis about the beginning of untouchability there. Then next comes during British period, children. During British period, one important act was passed. It is called Government of India Act 1935. Government of India Act. Government of India Act 1935. So this act, it gave, you know, you come across with these two words, no? SC, ST, right? So is it visible, these two words? So Government of India Act 1935, it gave names SC and ST. You know, no? SC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ST ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅನ್ಟಚೇಬಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗದವರು ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1935 ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1935 ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1935 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ಒಂದು ಜಿಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1935 ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1 ಗೆ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1 1935 through this act government of India act 1935 Reserve Bank of India was established. One GK question from this lesson remember okay. So 1935 andre very important act it is passed by British government. It became the base for the preparation of our constitution. Many things are there. So Government of India Act 1935 it gave two names SC scheduled caste and ST scheduled tribe. So let us have a few pages on the screen. Whatever we have discussed so far now children, let us see them on the page on the screen now. Next. Yes. Next. Yes. Okay. So here we have few important things. Untouchability. It got its birth in Varna system. Varna system was there in Vedic period. Vedic period. It is based on karma theory and 4 classes of Varna system that you know already. Next. Yes. Here I have written a few points. Untouchability. Government of India Act 1935. British government, it classified untouchables as scheduled caste people, scheduled tribe people. Then Ambedkar's analysis I have on this page. Okay. How untouchability started. Why a group of people started to live outside the village. So for this question, where can we get answer? That is Ambedkar's idea. Next. Yes. Here we have, according to Gandhiji, untouchability is heinous expression of caste system. It is the heinous expression. Untouchability is social living. How? Okay. Yes. Our next question is untouchability is a social living. How? Yes. So I told no untouchables they were exploited very badly. How can you know something about untouchability, right? You have to add one point now. Those who know something about untouchables, untouchability, you have to raise your hand. I will give chance to everyone, please. Whatever you know about practice of untouchability, you have to share. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡುವ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ.
Mataji, untouchable children were not allowed to play with touchable children.
Very good. Untouchable children were not allowed to play with touchable children. Very good. Then Vaishnavi ಯಾರಿದ್ದೆ? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi? Okay, let us see. Afterwards, I will take points from Vaishnavi. Dhanya?
Mataji, they were not allowed to enter the temples.
They were not allowed to enter the temple. Very good. Chaya has sent me. They were not allowed to. Paragi says, very good. Chaya also says they were not allowed to enter the temple. Dhanya also says the same point. Yes. Next, I will take answer from Kritika. Shravani is there. Preetham is there. Very good. Many are there. Kritika, what's your point? Ankit says not allowed to public water. They were not allowed to listen to Vedas. Yes, very good. Rachita says that public water they could not use. Yes. Tell me, Kritika.
Mataji, they were not allowed to enter religious programs.
They were not allowed to enter the religious programs. Okay, good. Then untouchables were not given equal education facility. Yes, Yashaswini, they were not given education. Yes, Bhumika allowed to study Vedas. Good. Huh? Yes, they faced many problems. No untouchables. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಹೀನಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಅನ್ಟಚಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಆ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, so untouchables, they were given the lowest possible status in the society. This is told by Professor Kuppuswamy. So ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಕೀ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So Professor Kuppuswamy says that they were given what children? The lowest possible status in the society. Then next comes Manusmriti and Vyagrapada Smriti. Manusmriti ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Manusmriti says that if a touchable person comes in contact with untouchable person, then what he has to do? He has to take bath many times. Okay, he has to take a bath many times. It is told by Manusmriti. It is told in Manusmriti, and in Vyagrapada Smriti it is told that if an untouchable comes in contact with touchable in cow's tail distance. Okay, so cow's tail distance ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಟಚಬಲ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ he had to purify himself by taking bath many times. So this is told in Vyagrapada Smriti. So Manusmriti and Vyagrapada Smriti. See, Manu, Vyagrapada, these people, they were considered as scholars, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನು ಮತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರಪಾದರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್, ಪಂಡಿತರು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ವೇದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ they speak about this untouchability. They too believed that untouchables were not, they were profane. Okay, they were profane ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅಪವಿತ್ರ ಜನ ಅಂತ ಮನುನಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರಪಾದನಂತಹ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮಲಬಾರ್ ರೀಜನ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಬಾರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೀಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಕೇರಳ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನುಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕೇರಳ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು find this? So this region, it is called Malabar Coast. Till today it is called Malabar Coast. In your geography lesson also you are going to learn this. So Malabar Coast, in this region untouchables, they had to prepare footwears. ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವರು, ಚಪ್ಪಲನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, but they were not allowed to wear the footwears. They were not allowed to wear the chappals. So ಇದೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ that time it was practiced. Then I have told, no, untouchable people, they were made to carry night soil, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟವನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಭಂಗಿಗಳ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. they had to carry dead animals. They were made to do all those kinds of work. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಜನರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮುಟ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್. ದೆನ್ as you have told, they were not allowed, they were not allowed to get education. They were not allowed to learn Vedas. They were not allowed to learn Sanskrit. Touchable children were not allowed to mingle with untouchable children. ಬರೀ ಕಲಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ, ವೇದಗಳನ್ನ ಓದೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಶಾನ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಶಾನಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸಿಗಂತೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ದೇ ಫೇಸ್ಡ್ many problems. What else problems they face, that we have to discuss in the next part. But the meeting is going to end now within 2 minutes. That's why let us end the meeting here and let us rejoin within 2 minutes, children. Don't take too much time. Come fast.